Hey, I'm back. So I'm going to do the clothing haul part of my haul, and this is all collective. So if you're wondering why it's such a big amount, it's because it's collective and I'm wearing the headband. Super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the shirt that I got from Buckle. Very loose around the waist, like from the back. And the detailing on it is the pocket and also all of the different like sequences on it. And this top was $64 at Buckle. Pretty spendy, but it's really good quality and it's really nice. You can wear it off to one shoulder. And this sweater cost me $42. The thing that I like about it when you wear it is that it is nice and baggy up on the top. So this is how it looks. Very, very cute. I just love how the top of it is pretty baggy. I think that makes it different. Another top that I got from Buckle, well, a sweater I mean, sorry, was this one, and it's more military feel to it. It has this, and the material is a really shiny, deep grayish blue. So like navy blue with a little bit of silver in it. I believe this one must have been like $112. And this is what the sweater looks like. Detailing on it is very, very nice. It's a gorgeous sweater. It also has a nice big hood, which looks like this. And also the detailing on the sides looks like this. And it's a really nice warm sweater for the winter time coming up because, you know, it's getting cold. Has a lot of beading detail on it. This is all beaded. It has like a leopard to a regular print to leopard. And it's super long, so you can wear these with like some leggings or jeggings or tights, whatever is your preference on it. And this was $98. I know it's pretty spendy, but this is all collective, remember. And I'll try this on. Okay, so this is what the top looks like on. And it has all that detailing on it. Which looks like this. And it was $58. There's a lot of like rhinestone detailing on it. And it is also a see-through material, so it'd be good to just like wear something underneath it. It also has the same detailing in the back. And it's super cute. Okay, this is another shirt that I got from Buckle. And it has a lot of lacing on the sleeves, which is layered. Super cute. But this is what it looks like. Just a really cute, plain, simple black top. It was on sale for $28.14. So that's that. $28. The thing I liked about it the most was the material and how flowy it is when you wear it. So it's like all layered around. And it also cinches in the back for you. You can control it. It's kind of loose right now, but yeah. So it's very flowy, and that's what I loved about it the most. So got this vest at Buckle. And this was $28. And this is what it looks like on. It just adds flair. See? It has like flary on the sides. And this is the detailing on the one side, which makes it super cute. So yeah. I also got this vest by Buckle. And it has like a knitted back and ooh, the furry front, which is really nice and soft. It was $59.95. And this is what it looks like on. Wear like that or loose. Okay, now for my Wetseal haul, I got this top there. And it's like an equal cut in the back and the front. And in the back it has this strap on there. It also has cinched sleeves. And this was $19.50. I also got this top, which is super long. The material is sheer, so you would have to wear it with something underneath for sure. And the thing that I liked about it was the shoulders and the detailing on them. So that was super cute. And this top was $23.50. I also got this vest there, which is it's loose and flowy, has a lace back, and this was $21.50. And this is what it looks like. It has like the buttoning going down on the sides, which is really cute. And there's the back detailing. This light jacket, and this was $29.50. I'm not too sure if they were on sale. I'm thinking that it could have been on sale. So this is what it looks like. It has like a really pretty detailing on it, on the material. And very cute. I loved it. Okay, I also got this knitted sweater. And this was $26.50. So this is what it looks like on. Very, very cute and chic. It has the detailing going through the arm and also the shoulders. I like the little button, how it gives the shoulder a little bit more depth. So that's the light one that I got. I also got it in black, and this is the one that I got a deal for, $10. And this is what it looks like. It also has the shoulder detailing on it. Really cute. I also got this scarf there, which looks like this. And this was $8.50. So it's really cute and bouncy. I only got 2 pairs of clothing at Ragstock. Military inspired jacket. And this was only $16.49. And this is what it looks like on. Super cute. It has like a button on the side, like that. From Ragstock was these leggings. And these are mediums. They look so big. And it has like the bucklings on the knees, which I thought was super cute. And these were $22.99. So that's everything that I got. That's the ending part of the haul. So I hope that you enjoyed everything, and yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Late.